Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in today's video, I just want to show you guys how you can be able to download free templates and other things from my website for free. Okay, so a lot of you sometimes complain that they cannot buy. Now this website is not really specifically for you to buy anything for there. Okay, over there. Now it's just the templates over there are there for free. All what you need to do is just do some small activities on the website, and then you can be able to get money on the same website to be able to buy the templates that you need to buy. Okay, now how do you buy how do you get free money to buy templates over there? So let's say I am a new a new user of this website, and then I come over here to just check the website out, and I saw some templates and other stuff over there, and then I want to download them. Okay, so how do I do that? Now all what I need to do is just make sure that I have an account on the website. So I will set up an account on the website. I'll create an account on the website, and then I will be able to download get free money. At the moment I register on the website, I'm supposed to get some free money. If I do certain things on the website, I'm also supposed to get free money. If every day I log on to the website, I'm supposed to get free money. These are new features that I've brought to the website so that it will help you guys to be able to download the templates for free. Okay, so what I need to do is just click on register over here, and then go ahead and then just register. So my registration name is TechUp. Okay, so and then I'm going to say use my TechUp hosting at gmail.com. Okay, so TechUp hosting is basically a new hosting company. I am bringing it up. When it is available, I'll let you guys know, especially those of you who are in Ghana, that you want to buy domain names with mobile money and other stuff. I'm trying to bring that thing up so that you guys can be able to use this platform to buy hosting domain names and other stuff with mobile money. So the password, I can choose my password for it, and then I'll register. Now when I register, they will tell me to enter my verification code over there. So I'm going to go to my email address, and then enter my verification code. So as you can see, I have gotten a new verification code over here. So I need to copy the verification code from here. Go ahead and copy, go back to the website, put the code over here, and then verify it. So as soon as the verification is done, he said your email is verified. So what I need to do is this is my wallet over here. As you can see, I have 12 CDs over here. Okay, now why did I get 12 CDs? Because I registered on the website. As simple as that. Okay, I have money on my website. So as you can see, it says balance credited for being a member of the website, and then balance credited for also visiting. Okay, it has given it to me. So I have I have 12 CDs. Now I want to also do certain actions for me to get more money. So to do certain actions, I can only do that if I can give reviews. Okay, so if I visit, if I share, if I do reviews for this particular website. So let's say I want to buy something over here. So I need this one, but my money is not enough. So guys, with my wallet balance right now, what I can buy is this one. Anything below this amount or equal to this amount, I can be able to buy. So I'm going to go ahead and then buy it so that you guys will see how it really looks like. So easy to buy. Okay, so what I'll do is just click on add to cart over here. Okay, I'm going to click on add to cart to add the template to cart, and then I'm going to go ahead straight away to checkout over here. Okay, And then now that I am in the checkout page, now as you can see, I can either decide to use the debit or credit card, or use my what, my wallet balance over here. Okay, so let's say I will fill my name, um my name, and then I'll fill my what, my phone number. Okay, so I'm going to fill in my phone number, and then I will go ahead and then what, just choose my what, the wallet balance over here, and then accept the terms and conditions, and then just go ahead and then place the order. Now guys, as you can see, the order has been what, has been placed successfully. Okay, so you can, go ahead and then check it, check everything over here, and then I can straight away go ahead and then download my what, my file. Okay, so just click over here, and then my file will be what, will be downloaded for me. Okay, as easy as that. Now at the moment I download the file, I can also even go ahead and then go and check. Let me go back and then check my how do you call it, my balance again, so that you guys will know that um the balance has been reduced or not reduced. Okay, so the payment was what, was wallet payment. So I'm going to go ahead and check my balance too, so for you guys to know that it has been reduced or not. Now guys, so I'm going to check my wallet for you guys to know my wallet balance. Now if you see, okay, so for payment or other payment, okay, it was deducted what, 10, and then now I only have what, 2 CDs what left. Okay, and that is it. So if I visit the website more, I'm going to have what, I'm going to have more amount of what, money, right, to be able to use it on the what, on the website. Okay, so this is how you can be able to get more money to be able to use on the website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.